Good Monday morning, and thanks for logging on to TDS Weather. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Indiana forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures that are into the upper 40s to the mid 50s across northern portions of the state. The rest of us are into the middle to upper 50s across north central Indiana, then into the 60s from I-70 southward, where there's a little bit more cloud cover and rainfall that's kind of kept us a little bit more insulated. As we work on into the daytime hours today, it's really that I-70 corridor on points to the south that's going to have the best chance of rainfall and perhaps a few thunderstorms. So as we work on into the next couple of hours here, going into 10, 11 a.m. and into noon, you can see the best chances of rainfall being down there across south central and southern portions of the state. A few spotty showers closer to and just north of I-70 as we work into noon and 1 o'clock. And as we go through 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, I mean, as I said, I-70 southward seems to be the focal point for precipitation here today. As we go to 7, 8, 9 o'clock this evening, still a few spotty showers around, but really rainfall as we work closer to and especially after sunset, that chance is going to decrease. And I really think after midnight on into 1 and 2 o'clock here, we're going to see dry conditions this evening into the overnight. And as we go into the morning hours tomorrow, we start off dry, but there is going to be a warm front that passes through the morning hours. So as we work on into 9, 10, 11 o'clock into noon, you can see if you isolate the scattered showers and a couple thunderstorms across the area, a little bit better chances here as we work into midday on Tuesday of rainfall and thunderstorms up into northern portions of the state. But what we'll be watching is the next cold front that will come on through here as we work into tomorrow afternoon. And as we go into 2 to 3 o'clock, you can see a line of showers and thunderstorms developing from Rensselaer down towards Danville, Illinois, and back out towards Vandalia, Illinois as we work into mid-afternoon. And as we work in the 4, 5, 6 o'clock, showers and thunderstorms are spreading across Indiana here into the late afternoon, early evening. And these continue to progress on across the state into 7 and 8 o'clock and then exit towards 9 and 10 o'clock. But as we work through the afternoon into the evening tomorrow, there is the chance that some of these thunderstorms could be strong to severe with damaging winds and hail the main thread, but a couple isolated tornadoes as well can't be ruled out here tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours as that swings on through. That front kind of moves down and stalls tomorrow night, and as we work tomorrow night and on into Wednesday morning, dry conditions will be in place, but that front will return northward as a warm front as we head on into the morning hours on Wednesday. And as we head on into Wednesday afternoon, you can see dry weather is in place. But then Wednesday evening by 7 and 8 o'clock, we've got showers and thunderstorms developing and moving across the area. There is the concern we could have another round of severe weather as we work on into Wednesday late afternoon into the evening across the forecast area, and that's something we'll continue to watch here. And then that exits as we work on into like midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. on Thursday, and then we're a little drier on Thursday morning with any kind of rainfall sticking into northern portions of the state. But that won't be the last we see of the rainfall, because we have an upper level trough coming on in here, and that's going to kind of create some unsettled weather for us into the next several days and probably on into the weekend as well. Rainfall amounts through tomorrow morning. Far southern portions of the state will see probably 3 to 6/10 of an inch of rain as you get closer to the Ohio River. Once you work into especially north of I-70, you're seeing very little rain, probably 3/10 of an inch or less as you get into like south central portions of the state south of I-70 into the next 24 hours. Highs today, they're going to be into generally the upper 60s to mid 70s across the area, but you can see kind of northeastern portions of the state maybe a little bit cooler. As we work overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we'll drop down into the low to mid 50s across northern portions of Indiana. The rest of us will be generally in the upper 50s to mid 60s, the warmest temperatures down to the south, and then a very mild day of weather tomorrow. Low to mid 70s across the northern half of the state, upper 70s to low 80s across the southern half of the state. And then as we have a look at the next 7 days, you can see 72 today and 76 tomorrow, 80 on Wednesday. But overall, a very active pattern with rain and thunderstorms into the next few days. And then we have rain shower chances Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 71 Thursday, 65 Friday, 63 Saturday, and 70 and drier on Sunday. That's all I have for you here this morning. Thanks for logging on.